I do a lot of these videos because this can
Baltimore
happen to
City
you.
Police arrest a suspect in a road rage incident during which a woman was grazed by a bullet. 40-year-old Nisha Jackson is charged with attempted murder and assault. Now, the incident happened last Wednesday just before 10 a.m. downtown. Police say it started around the intersection of Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard and West Mulberry Street when Jackson and the victim got into a dispute and began throwing items at each other's cars. Investigators say Jackson followed the victim in her car to the 100 block of South Utah Street. That is when police say Jackson pulled a gun and shot at the 41-year-old victim. That victim suffered a graze wound to the lower body. Well, police name a suspect in a road rage incident between two women Saturday that ended in gunfire. Saturday afternoon around 3:30 p.m., a 31-year-old woman was involved in an altercation in the 100 block of East Redwood Street with 35-year-old Tanisha Pollock of Baltimore. Now, officers say Pollock produced a handgun and fired it at the victim, grazing her in the head. They say Pollock then continued to the 400 block of East Baltimore Street, where she encountered and fired at an off-duty officer. That officer returned fire. No one was struck. Nearby patrol units quickly responded to the scene, placing Pollock under arrest. Detectives transported Tanisha Pollock to Central Booking Intake Facility, where she was charged with attempted first-degree murder.